In statistics, Lord's paradox raises the issue of when it is appropriate to control for baseline status. In 3 papers, Frederic Lord noted that different results obtain if researchers adjust for pre-existing differences. The paradox was resolved by Paul Holland and Donald Rubin using the Rubin causal model. The most famous formulation of Lord's paradox was in his 1973 paper, and was phrased in terms of weight change over freshman year of college and 2 different dormitories, because Lord did not want readers to assume that measurement error was responsible for the paradox. A large university is interested in investigating the effects on the students of the diet provided in the university dining halls and any sex differences in these effects. Various types of data are gathered. In particular, the weight of each student at the time of his arrival in September and his weight the following June are recorded. Quote, Lord 1976, p. 304. In both September and June, the distribution of male weights is the same in September and June. The males' weights have the same mean and variance, and likewise for the distribution of female weights. Lord posits 2 statisticians who use different, but respected statistical methods, to reach opposite conclusions about the effects of the diet provided in the university dining halls on students' weights. One statistician does not adjust for initial weight and finds no significant difference between dining halls. Quote, as far as these data are concerned, there is no evidence of any interesting effect of diet, or of anything else, on student weights. In particular, there is no evidence of any differential effect on the 2 sexes, since neither group shows any systematic change. Quote, Lord 1967, p. 305. The second statistician adjusts for initial weight and finds a significant difference between the 2 dining halls. Holland and Rubin resolve the paradox by concluding that both statisticians are correct. Their statements simply describe the situation. No causal conclusions can be reached because there is no control group, and thus no counterfactual about what the students would be eating instead of the dining hall food. Since the 2 statisticians' assumptions cannot be tested with the available data, acceptance or criticism of them must be based on intuition and/or subject matter experience. p. 11. Lord's paradox is the continuous version of Simpson's paradox. It has implications for both education and health policies that attempt to reward educators or hospitals for the improvements that their patients made under their care, which is the basis for No Child Left Behind.